In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a WordPress theme in Hostinger. We'll break it down step by step to ensure it's super easy to follow, even if you're doing it for the first time. So, let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hostinger panel. Head over to the Hostinger website by typing in hostinger.com into your browser and look for the option to log in. Click on that, and when prompted, enter your account credentials to access the dashboard. It's important to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple websites or have more than one hosting service. Once you're in your panel, you'll be set to move on to the next step. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access your WordPress admin panel from panel. Inside the dashboard, locate the section titled Websites. Under here, you should see your domain. That's the one you want to manage. Click on Manage next to your domain name. As you scroll down through the options, keep an eye out for the WordPress section. Sometimes it's labeled as WordPress Overview. Once you find this section, look for the Admin Panel button, or you might see a small login icon. Go ahead and click on that, and it will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard. This makes managing your WordPress site straightforward without having to repeatedly re-enter credentials. With WordPress open, our next step is to install a theme right from the WordPress dashboard. Themes are the backbone of your site's appearance and flow, so picking the right one is crucial. Start by going to the menu on the left-hand side of your WordPress admin page and look for Appearance. Click on it and then select Themes. This area is where all your installed themes are displayed. At the very top of the page, you'll see an option saying Add New. Click on it to open up the vast directory of free WordPress themes available to you. You can browse through popular themes or use the search bar if you have a specific theme in mind. As you scroll through, take a moment to preview the themes by clicking the Preview button next to each one. This lets you see how the theme would look on your site without actually installing it. Once you find a theme that catches your eye and matches your brand's identity and functionality needs, the next step is simple. Hit the Install button next to the theme. WordPress will take a moment to download and install it for you. After it's installed, a new option will appear labeled Activate. Click on Activate to set that theme as the active one on your website. And there you have it. Your WordPress site now sports a fresh new look. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed and activated a new theme on your WordPress site using Hostinger. Feel free to explore further customization options to truly make the theme your own. Thank you for joining me today, and happy site building.